Good morning, everyone. Today we are Wednesday. We're almost done with the week. Mood meter check in. How are you all feeling today? I'm in the yellow. I'm feeling happy. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's move on to the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. The days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, and lastly, Sunday. Today we are Wednesday, August the 26th. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. A reminder, guys, please stay active. Go out and play, have a good time, grab a ball, kick a ball, catch a ball, take out your siblings or your parents. Remember, at least 30 minutes a day. Today's agenda is social studies. We will work on social studies in your packet. Social skills lesson of the week. Don't quit. I remember today we will have a social skills assignment. You will have to refer back to your social skills lesson PowerPoint. And lastly, teacher contact information. All right, guys, let's make it a good one.